Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I have lots of unboxings. And the first unboxing that I have is Lush Kitchen for February 2026. Oh, it smells so good. Here's all the great items. And I'm going to read from the insert. You've hit the jackpot. This Valentine's Day, you're stacking the deck in your favor, packed with juicy fruits, fizzy, flirty fizz, and a whole lot of seduction. Whether you're playing solo or risking all on romance, this box will be your lucky charm. So, ready to gamble? Blast from the past. The Two Hearts fragrance first debuted with Be Never Too Busy to Be Beautiful Lush Glam and Sophisticated Sibling. From 2003 to 2009, Be Never encapsulated all that was great about fragrance and makeup. A welcome escape to the environment. So I remember Be Never Too Busy to Be Beautiful. It was an extra line out of the Lush UK version. So you get shower gels, perfumes, bath bombs related to that. So yeah, so then the inventor's story in 2008, co-founder Mo had various bath bombs and emotion bombs. So you see some stuff from the past in this box. So that's cool. So this is the shower gel. It's called Two Hearts. It's 250 mils or 8.4 fluid ounces. And it says, feeling the loving embrace of silky rose and jasmine lathers. And it's a clear shower gel. So it's not creamy. It's just clear, all red. So that's cool. So that's one. Two is Happy Blooming. And it says, place your bets on soft skin, perfume with fruity almond and floral yin-yang body lotion. So it's very creamy. And this is in 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. The next item, look at this. It's a peach soap. And it smells just like peaches. And let's see the write-up. Let's see. Peachy. It's just exclusive soap. So they had a bath bomb like this before. But now they made a soap and it smells just like peaches. It's so cute and it's heart-shaped. Inside the box, there's an emotion bomb. And this one is Sex in the Shower. So it has like sex bath bomb. It smells just like it. I think it has rose, juniper, and yin-yang. So you just put it in the bath shower, turn the shower on, then it smells with this fragrance. So that's this one. I don't know if I have the other one down there. What else did I get? This one. Oh, Jasmine Cream. Okay, and this is a aroma and bath melts. So bath melts, you can break off a piece and put it in the bathtub and it melts, and it has like scent and oils, and it makes your body feel soft and smooth. But I don't have a bath, so what you can do is break off 1 or 2 squares and add it to your wax warmer. And yeah, so it's cool. It says Lush Melt. So it's a good extra. And the scents are cold pressed strawberry seed oil, yin-yang, organic shea butter, fair trade organic shea butter, and I think it has, I'm just trying to read the Yeah. Strawberry and yin and yang. So that's what the pink is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items. That's 5 items in your Lush Kitchen February box. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll post a still shot on my Instagram page at Rosie77Rosie. See you guys later. Bye.